Hello everyone, welcome back. Today we're going to make this scene like you see on the screen right now. Somebody asked me to do a tutorial on somebody's clothes changing colors randomly like this. So I figured I would do it. This is a studio version only. Here's the original clip I had, it's about 13 seconds. And almost everybody knows how to use the magic mask, if they have it. But I'll do one demonstration. It's a short video anyhow. Want to make sure your qualifier is selected here. And I like better if your computer can do it. I suggest that. And now we just have a dot. We don't have a stroke like the old version. Version 2 works much better. Then we have a mask overlay here. And to change the colors, just take the gain or the gamma and make it whatever color you want. And then track it. And then save it like you'd save any other video. And then pick a different color and then save it. You don't have to retract this every time. Only when you switch to the other person. If there's only one person, you only have to do the one. But I did like, I think 4 of each one. For him. And then for him. So I had 8. Somewhere around there. And you reset it right here. And make another color. Copy it. I brought them all into the media pool. I staggered them all 1 second. Just make sure when you drag it back, make sure it's from this end. So they line up. Not the back end. Well, there you go. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.